Buckle up, because today we've got the wildest moments ever caught on Dashcam. Cars flying, trucks tipping, and Mother Nature literally throwing obstacles in the way. You won't believe what's coming next, so don't blink. Road rage level, maximum. One bad turn, a whole lot of yelling, and let's just say karma doesn't take long to show up. Nothing to see here, just the valet borrowing a piece of gum until his buddy spots the dash cam. Sometimes life hits you with a splash, and then make sure you really feel it.
前方闯红灯摄像，限速60。
When you wake up from a deep sleep and just go with whatever is happening. No questions asked.
Ahora sí caíste. No huele.
He thought he was in control, chasing down his runway foam cannon, until it turned on him.
It's okay, I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead.
This guy's just out for a late night drive, minding his business. Then, out of nowhere, a kangaroo decides his windshield looks like a perfect landing pad.
Fucking covering!
This guy was out for a nice bike ride, until gravity decided otherwise. A last-second swerve saves the day, but that was way too close for comfort. Look both ways before crossing? Nah. This person said, let's test my luck instead. Rule number 1 to parking? Actually put it in park. Talk about a close call. This biker was in the wrong place at the worst time, as a semi pulled out, completely unaware he was there. When you hit the curb, usually it's just a little bump, but this guy, full send. This guy just makes it to the sidewalk, only to get smacked by a biker who probably didn't see him either. This skid have ended really bad. 1 second, the driver's cruising. The next, he's out cold. But somehow, luck was on his side. You had one job: measure before you drive. This work truck's bucket lift wasn't fully down, and when it met a low freeway bridge, well... This felt straight out of an action movie. Car stops, people jump out like it's a heist, but the dashcam driver wasn't having it. cars are racing. And then, boom, an undercover cop flies past. And these guys start cheering like it's the main event.
How many of these gypsies are there? Yo, it's even worse than your flash your head. Nobody knows what fucking lane you're going. Yep. Oh, here comes some more.
From behind?
Yep.
That doesn't even sound fast. That sounds like it's nothing.
Yes! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah!
Yes!
Fuck yeah!
And this motherfucker over here trying to be all...
They barely miss it, and you know it was close when one of them starts screaming.
Right 7 short. And press 80. Brake. Left 5 and right 2 short. Ой, кто нахуй, блядь. 5 and right 2 short. Plus left 8, keep press 6.
This pro drifter's got skills, but whoa, that was way too close. This driver meant to turn, but nope, straight ahead it is. Somehow weaves through traffic, smacks a metal barrier, and still manages to miss even more cars on the other street. When a dump truck starts spinning on ice, you know things are about to get messy. But plot twist, a tiny boop from another car actually saves the day. It's like a real-life game of Will It Fit? Semi on the left, car stuck on the right, and another semi coming in hot down the middle.
Jesus. You on channel dive?
Mother Nature really tried to give this car a surprise hood ornament. This SUV thought it could take the scenic route on the side of the freeway, until it met the pothole of doom. Aren't the only thing you gotta watch out for at a railroad crossing. This driver thought the side of the road was a shortcut until they hit a puddle the size of a small lake. One wrong move and boom! This car goes from road trip to boat trip in seconds.
Плывем. Плывем. А куда плывем?
К берегу, блядь.
Прямо. Берегу. Да друзья, не крути.
Just a normal drive, until Mother Nature drops in uninvited. A massive chunk of cliff comes crashing down, turning the road into a rock slide obstacle course. If that didn't have you gripping your seat, I don't know what will. Which clip shocked you the most? Let me know below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for more insane dashcam moments.
Whoa! Whoa! I mean, what the fuck is going on? Slow the fuck down!